These ring top snaps are really ideal for using lightweight fabrics instead of buttons, and they're great for baby wear and knit fabrics too. Ring top means that the top of them is an empty ring like that, and you can get them in 4 colours: black, white, silver and gold. To insert them you need to use a tool, and there's 2 different tools. There's one very simple one you hit with a hammer, and there's also this little gadget. It's the same thing, you still use a hammer, but of course your hands are further away from the hammer. So firstly, we pierce the fabric so the ring top goes through from the right side to the wrong side, and make sure that the prongs come all the way through. And you can actually use a pair of scissors if you like, just to push that down. And then you place the top back on it, and you'll see one side has a deeper groove than the other. So make sure the deep groove is down towards the prongs. Using this tool, I'm going to place this into the tool, into the basin, push the tool down, close it all up, and then just hit it with a hammer a couple of times. Just move these off so they don't bounce like mad. And that's that side done. And then to pop the other side, I'm going to get the other bits together. So again, I've got the popper section with the spikes that go through. So again, the spikes are going to go through from the right side of the fabric. So again, I'm just going to push them through, and to make sure that they go through, I can just use the scissors to push the fabric so that it's firmly on those prongs. Place that in the basin of my tool, put the popper side up, right side up on top, and then close it up, hammer it a couple of times. Open that up and the popper's attached. So now I have a popper that will do up. There it is with the ring top on the right side of the fabric, ready to go. I'll just show you how to use the other tool. So again, I'm going to put the prongs of the top, which is this one time it's white, on the surface. I've got a wooden chopping board. Place the fabric on top, and now with this tool I can just push into the centre of those, and actually you can see as I do that the prongs come up nicely. And then turn the tool over, put the ring on top, making sure that the groove, the deep groove, is facing the prongs. Place that on top, place my tool on top of that, and that's that one done. And again on the other side, I'm just going to put the fabric over the prongs, so that's right side down. Push the narrow end of my tool. My prongs are now visible, so I put the popper on, and I've got a groove with a recess in there which fits over that popper end, and hit it a couple of times. That's now attached. So I've got the white on the top.